Tired of feeling numb or tingling? These 3 delicious drinks can support your nerve health and promote overall well-being. Understanding numbness and tingling. Numbness and tingling, often referred to as paresthesia, can be caused by various factors, including nerve damage. Conditions like diabetes, multiple sclerosis, or peripheral neuropathy can damage nerves, leading to numbness or tingling. Compression, pressure on nerves, such as from a pinched nerve or carpal tunnel syndrome, can cause these sensations. Poor circulation, inadequate blood flow to the nerves can also result in numbness or tingling. Vitamin deficiencies, deficiencies in vitamins B12, B6, or niacin can affect nerve function. Number 1 is turmeric latte. Turmeric, this golden spice contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant with neuroprotective properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce inflammation, protect brain cells, and improve cognitive function. NCBI reported that turmeric can help relieve nerve pain caused by spinal injury. It works by reducing inflammation and improving the function of nerve cells in the spinal cord and a part of the brain called the amygdala. Recipe: you can choose a milk alternative like almond or oat milk if you're lactose intolerant and add turmeric. Add a touch of sweetness for a delicious flavor. Number 2 is chia seed water. Chia seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, chia seeds can support brain health and reduce inflammation. Omega-3s are essential for the health of nerve cells. Nutrier Journal examined that chia seeds are potential source of caffeic acid, chlorogenic acid myricetin, camphorol, and quercetin, which can help ease multiple disorders. Water, hydration is crucial for optimal nerve function. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain healthy nerve cells and supports overall well-being. Recipe: in 1 glass of water, mix with chia seeds. Adding a squeeze of lemon can enhance the flavor and provide additional vitamin C, which is important for overall health. Number 3 is green tea. Green tea, rich in antioxidants, green tea can help protect cells from damage, including nerve cells. The antioxidants in green tea can help reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to nerve damage. National Library of Medicine conducted a study to understand how green tea can help repair damaged nerves in the hands and feet. When nerves in these areas are damaged, it can cause numbness, tingling, or weakness. Current treatments for this condition aren't very effective. The study looks at green tea polyphenol, which are the compounds in green tea that give it its health benefits. Researchers wanted to see if these compounds can help nerves in the hands and feet grow back after they've been damaged. While these drinks may not cure nerve damage, they can provide valuable nutrients and antioxidants that support nerve health and overall well-being. If you are experiencing persistent numbness or tingling, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Try these delicious and nutritious drinks to support your nerve health. Share this video with friends and family who may benefit.